Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are now here, let me introduce myself. My name is Vineeta Pal and you are watching English with Vineeta. In today's video, I am going to share a long self-introduction in simple English, which is very useful for students, job seekers, beginners and housewives. So let's begin. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Vineeta. I'm from India. I live with my family. I am a homemaker and also a learner. I strongly believe that learning has no age limit. Now tell me talk about my family. I have a small and loving family. My family includes my husband, my in-laws and me. My family is very supportive. They always motivate me to improve myself. Because of them, I am learning English and sharing my journey on YouTube. Talking about my education, I am continuing my studies and improving my English skills. Earlier, I was afraid of speaking English. I used to think that English is very difficult. But slowly, I realized that practice makes everything easy. Now practice English every day. I read stories, learn new words, and try to speak English confidently. Coming to my hobbies, I like reading English stories. I enjoy listening to soft music. I also like teaching and learning new things. Teaching English gives me confidence and happiness. If I talk about my strength, I am a hardworking and honest person. I am positive and patient. I never give up easily. I believe in I believe in my self improvement and self confidence. Everyone has dreams and so do I. My dream is to become a professor one day. I want to speak English fluently and confidently. I want to help other learners who feel shy or scared to speak English. I started this YouTube channel to help beginners learn English is an easy way. If you are afraid of English, this channel this channel is definitely for you. Here we learn English step by step with simple sentences and daily conversation. I want to tell you one thing, never feel shy about your mistakes because mistakes mean you are learning. Speak English daily, even if it is broken English. Confidence is more important than perfection. So, this was my introduction. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below and tell me, are you learning English? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.